Let's brief Danielson. Danielson's elevation is 238 feet. Traffic pattern is 1,238. 2,700 foot runway. We'll be landing on runway 31 today. Weather is in 119.12. Common traffic advisory frequency is 123.0. We're at 2,700 now, heading east. Heading 090 right now. Windham traffic, Archer 33121 is over top of the airfield at 2,700. We'll be continuing eastbound, 2,700 Windham. Well, this should put us on a 45 entry to the left downwind for runway 31 at Danielson. All right, 12 miles out. Listen to the ASOS.
Danielson Airport, Danielson, Connecticut.
Automated weather observation 110 Zulu. Wind calm. Visibility more than 10. Sky.
All right, it says we're calm down there.
Danielson traffic, Warrior 31 Whiskey is departing 31 Danielson.
Danielson traffic, Archer 33121, 10 miles southwest, inbound, landing runway 31. We'll enter the 45 left down for 31 Danielson.
And Danielson traffic, Warrior 81 31 Whiskey is departing 31 Danielson. We're departing to the north Danielson.
Have a good flight with Warrior, Archer 121. 1600. All right, let's get my gums check done now. I'm at 8 miles out. Electric fuel pumps on, landing lights on, wingtip lights on. Mixture's full rich, all the switches are on. Gums check complete. I'm on the full tank, which is the left tank. I'm at 2,500. Danielson traffic, Archer 33121, 5 mile 45, left downwind runway 31. Has 31 Whiskey on the iPad. Looking for traffic. Danielson traffic, Archer 33121, 3 mile 45, runway 31, Danielson. 1600. Airport's to my 12 o'clock. Let's enter this 45 to midfield. Danielson traffic, Archer 33121, left downwind runway 31, Danielson.
At an elevation of 223 feet and a small population of 4,100, Danielson, Connecticut might be small, but it's packed with charm and character. One of its most special features is its Main Street Historic District, showcasing stunning architecture from the colonial days. Walking down the Main Street is like stepping in a time capsule.
All right. We're on the left downwind here, slow it down.
We're passing over the Quinebaug River below its Native American term, Quinny meaning long, Pog meaning pond. It's a poetic name when you think about it. The river itself winds through Massachusetts and Connecticut. And its name reflects its deep connection with Native American they had with the landscape, naming it not just for what it was, but how it felt and flowed.
Got a bunch of wind turbines, 12 o'clock. Down to 1700. Flaps 1 in. Flaps 2. Danielson traffic, Archer 33121, left base runway 31 Danielson. And Danielson traffic, Archer 33121, turning final runway 31 Danielson.